Hey everyone, today we are going to be reading book number 20, our decodable reader, The Zigzag Cat. Today we're going to practice reading through the decodable reader together. We're going to remember to use the clues. We drew a red line under red words, and we drew a green line under green words that have the letter Z, the Z sound. So be sure to use those clues as we're reading. Make sure to use your finger to tap along in your book, or you can watch as I tap in my book, but make sure you're reading the words with me. Tomorrow, you're going to practice reading all by yourself or with someone at your house or maybe someone at daycare. Let's get started. The author of our book is Susan Cluess. She wrote the words. The illustrator of our book is Laura Gesford. She drew the pictures. We'll start right here with the title. The Zig, Zig, Zag, Zag, Cat. Let's look at page number 1 and 2. Put your finger right here on the first word in the sentence on page 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Beth said, I see a cat. Over to page 2, starting with the word the. 1, 2, 3. The cat would run and whiz by Beth. He went zig, zig. He went zag, zag. He went zig, zag. Look at pages 3 and 4. Right here on page 3, we're going to read the word stop. 1, 2, 3. Stop, said Beth. I see you zigzag. I want to zigzag with you, said Beth. Over to page 4. Help, said the cat. I want to zip, not zig, zig, or zag. I want to zip, 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 and whiz by Beth. Ooh, let's stop and think about these 2 pages. So what does Beth notice about how the cat is running? Right, the cat is running in a zigzag. So the cat is going back and forth, not in a straight line, a zigzag line. But the cat wants Beth to help him. What kind of line does the cat want to be able to run in? Yeah, a straight line. He wants to be able to zip. So he's saying zip like he's running in a straight line. It says, I want to zip, 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 and whiz by Beth. So you see the little X up here in this little speech bubble or thinking bubble. It shows us what the cat might be thinking. So he does not want to zigzag. He wants to go in a straight line. He wants to zip by Beth. Let's see what happens next. Turn to pages 5 and 6. Starting right here with the word so. 1, 2, 3. So the cat did zip. He did run like a whiz by Beth. And let's go to page 6. Stop, cat, said F. Beth. The cat did not stop. So, was the cat able to zip and go really fast by Beth? Yes, he was. And if we look at page 6, what does Beth think when the cat starts zipping around by her? Yeah, she tells him to stop. Find the word stop, stop on page number 6. Point to it with your finger. Yep, here it is. She says stop, cat. But does the cat stop? No, you're right. Let's read this last sentence again. The cat did not stop. Good. Let's look at pages 7 and 8. See how the story ends. On page 7, we'll start with the word go. 1, 2, 3. Go, zip, zip, cat. Go, zig, zig, cat. Go, zag, zag, cat. Go, zig, zag, cat. And page 8. 1, 2, 3. The cat ran like a whiz by Beth. So in this story, what did the cat want to do? Zip. Yeah, the cat wanted to zip, zip. But what did Beth want to do in the story? How did she want to run? Yeah, she wanted to zig, zag. So the cat wanted to kind of zip in like a straight line, but Beth wanted to zigzag. She wanted to run going in, out, in that type of line. Nice work today, readers. Remember, you can keep practicing reading this book by yourself, or you could read it with someone else at home or at daycare, but just keep practicing reading.